In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Venmo. By the end, you will have the app installed and ready to set up your account. First, open your device's App Store. On an iPhone, tap the blue App Store icon on your home screen. On Android, tap the Google Play Store icon, usually with a multicolored triangle. When the store opens, you should see a search bar at the top of the screen, along with featured apps and categories underneath. Now, tap in the search bar and search for Venmo. Type the word Venmo as one word, then look at the results that appear. You are looking for the official Venmo app with a light blue icon and a white letter V in the center. A common beginner mistake is choosing a lookalike app, so always check that the developer name shows Venmo as the official publisher. Once you have found the correct Venmo app, tap Get on iPhone or Install on Android. On iPhone, you might be asked to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. On Android, you may see an install button that turns into a progress bar. While it downloads, you will see the icon filling up or a spinning circle, which tells you the installation is in progress. After the download finishes, open the Venmo app. You can tap Open directly in the App Store or tap the new Venmo icon that now appears on your home screen or in your app drawer. When Venmo launches for the first time, you will see a welcome screen with the Venmo logo and options to sign up or log in. Since you are getting Venmo for the first time, you will be using the sign up option. From there, choose your sign up method and create a secure password. Venmo usually lets you sign up using your email address or a mobile number, and sometimes with a connected account option. Take a moment to read the fields on screen so you know exactly what information you are entering. When creating your password, use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols so it is not easy to guess. A useful habit is to avoid using names, birthdays, or simple sequences like 1, 2, 3, 4. After you submit your details, Venmo may send a code to confirm your contact information. Once that is done, your basic Venmo account is created and the app will move you into the main screen where you can later add a bank or card and start sending and receiving money. So in this video, you installed the Venmo app on your phone and started creating your own secure Venmo account. If this walkthrough helped you get Venmo set up, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple app guides like this.